neighbor's gonna think?
It's all your mom's fault, not mine. Last week I was out here without no shirt on. Went in, got a stiff neck. Come out today, she told me to get undressed. Come out here naked. I did, but I ain't gonna get no stiff neck this time. I put my shirt on. It's all your mom's fault, not mine.